Hello folks, it's Mike Tafel from History Concierge, and this time around we're actually doing a side trip from Rome to the hilltop town of Castel Gandolfo. Now this has always been voted one of the most scenic cities in all of Italy, and I'm really excited to go, folks. Castel Gandolfo is most famous for being the summer residence of the popes, but it's a hilltop town in the Alban Hills overlooking the beautiful Lake Albano. Now, it has a long history because the Roman emperors discovered it, and the Emperor Domitian developed a massive palace there, of which you can still see quite a few of the ruins. But in the early 1600s, the Pope started coming there. But it was Urban VIII in around 1620 who made it the official papal summer residence. Now, the Papal Palace in recent years has been turned into a museum, and you can finally go visit the gardens. All right, it's about a 45-minute train ride from Rome, and you got to get yourself to Roma Termini, the main train station in Rome, and the tickets are €5 round trip. Now, once you arrive in Castel Gandolfo, I heard that it is about a 10-15-minute walk straight up a hill. But once you get there, it's supposed to be a beautiful town with a lot of shops and cafes. Now, on our agenda, we're just going to go see the gardens, have a dinner in the town, walk around and see a few churches. I'm hoping the whole trip is going to be about 6 hours front to back, folks. So I'm really excited that you're here to join me. Let's go. Well, folks, we pulled it off. It was a flawless side trip. Castel Gandolfo is absolutely stunning, and it's a totally doable side trip from Rome. 45 minutes each way. You could do the whole thing in about 5-6 hours. We didn't get a chance to see the Papal Palace. That'll give me something to see next time. But folks, it was beautiful. And what a bonus being able to see Aqueduct Park on the train ride there. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. I really did. Thank you for watching. Ciao.